Likes gossip. She likes gossip.
Hi guys, my name is Oyin Damola, reporting live for Plugtv. Now, for the past few months, Nigeria has been thrown into a standstill due to the coronavirus pandemic, and you will agree with me that it has affected a whole lot of things. Now, I am on the streets of Lagos talking to Lagosians on how they see this coronavirus pandemic and how it has affected the nightlife and how they would narrate it to children and generations to come. Don't go anywhere, it's still Plugtv Live.
With the advent of the coronavirus, aka Koro as preferred by Nigerians, its impact on the way of life has been nothing short of dramatic. Like every other problem hit by man, he finds a way to move on, live life, and if possible, have fun with it. COVID-19 was declared by the World Health Organization a global pandemic in the month of March 2020. Few months after, people and businesses have re-strategized in order to stay alive and keep profits coming in. One of the first innovations which was quickly adapted was the use of virtual technology. Be it board meetings, general meetings, or international conferences, it's now deemed safer and cheaper to attend a meeting thousands of miles away with a simple click of a few buttons on your laptop. The most popular of this has been the Zoom call. It allows you practically all the privileges of an actual meeting, but the fact that the next person can't be touched. It can hold up to 100 to 500 participants depending on the version subscribed to. So if you're sick or your airline lets you down, all you need is a good attire of choice, a phone or laptop, and real good internet. In line with Zoom calls is the fact that most people have realized that most of their businesses can be run from home. Working from home has become a popular phrase because they realize life has to go on, and in order to achieve that with limited movement, they literally had to do their work in the house and send files from the house, have meetings from the house, and we even have television reporters giving live updates from the comfort of their sitting rooms. Working from home is now one of the new norms we must come to terms with. Ensure physical distance. Wash your hands regularly and no handshakes. For men especially, handshakes were a form of showing respect, emotions, acceptability, and just concurring with your guy in a conversation. All that has been taken away and replaced with a wave or at best, an elbow knock.
So, sir, how will you tell children to come in like 20 years' time how this coronavirus pandemic affected you?
The coronavirus affected me a lot. One, business is not moving. Everything in Nigeria stopped. We were spending the one we have in our bank account and nothing is coming in. So what we have in reserve now is to eat, make sure the children feed. Not even we, the parents, but the children, they should feed. So I'm going to tell them 2020 is an history. It's going to be an history in Nigeria.
Our sense of touch has been constrained. The comfort in hugging a friend not seen in a while has been revoked. Seems we would have to do more talking than touching.
There was a time we don't go out, you just stay at home for 3 months, then later they release that people should start going out, but the going out is restricted, it's not every day. Then you have to wash your hands, use sanitizer, use face mask. If you are not with face mask, you will be arrested. So that is what we have been facing.
Restraining from physical contact, especially from people we don't know too well, is a new lifestyle we have imbibed. For most sports lovers, especially football fans, a new twist has been introduced across the world. All live matches will be played in empty stadiums. The players will no longer have the advantage of having thousands of supporters behind them as they slug it out with an away team.
First of all, I will start by telling my children there was a year everybody in this world went to school. So at the end of the year, we all graduated. So the year 2020 is a schooling year. 2021, I don't want to hear anything like Happy New Year. What I want to hear is happy graduation to everybody. At least it's a year. This year is as a year that everybody went back to school to go and learn something. If you're a waster this year, you must learn how to save.
Some countries have decided to feel some viewer feels more entertained. This is definitely an absurd way to support your team, but right now, it's the new normal we must live with. The new norms aren't all bad though. online business have surged during the pandemic and continue to do so. Customers would now rather have goods delivered to them in the comfort of their homes than risk being infected in a store. Also, some major movie companies are beginning to re-strategize on cinema premieres and focus on online streaming premieres. This has been as a result of the ban on having a minimum number of people in certain places at each time.
Well, there is a time like this before, and nobody got outside. We are all at home. I believe that this coronavirus will soon be over. So, but I'm pleading on behalf of everybody not to go out, to keep safe, and always put a mouth guard so that we can fight this coronavirus.
As the world seemingly grows smaller and each culture is forced to change according to the times, our normal becomes a thing of the past, and an absurd thought becomes our new normal. In all of this, always try to stay alive and, if possible, have fun at it.
like gossip.